Welcome guys to yet another unboxing for the channel. Very excited for this one. Today we'll be unboxing the Shoulderpod G2. So let's get to it. I also need an unboxing knife. So, actually I don't think I need one. I think it just slides out. No? Maybe I do need it? I'll just start stabbing away at it.
Maybe. And I bet you would do.
All right. Anyways, now with the unboxing for the Shoulderpod G2. So I got this one because we're stepping up our game here at aNerdheard, and we really want to take our videos to the next level. So I present to you the G2. Okay, this is paperwork for the G2. This is the G2. So the G2, I have the Shoulderpod S1 here. It's a pretty good grip. It's got a weight on the bottom and a strap so you can kind of counterbalance while you're walking around and stabilize. This, though, takes it to the next level. So this is some serious stuff. So this I like because I want to get more into the mobile phone filmmaking type of game here. And essentially, you still got the grip right there, okay? The thing that you got, though, are you got 6 cold shoes. So you can attach things like LEDs, microphones, which I'll be getting both of those here very soon. The grip is super sturdy. Take it. What do you think, Hector? Beefy, right?
Dude, this is sick.
Yeah. Kel, do you want to? How did that feel?
Feels like a man's man.
Yeah, right.
Toy.
Man,
That's
a man's man.
I don't really know I was going with that.
Yeah. So I like it because you got. So this one, if you remove the weight at the bottom, that's where your tripod adapter is. This one has one here, so you can film with the phone this way, or you could film this way as well, so you can do vertical for all those vertical needs. It's got a lock on the back, so you can actually adjust that, and then once you got it in place, just flick it up, and it locks into place with a very. I don't think I'll do it now. I think I'll probably do this. There you go. So that type of sound, and it won't move. So very excited for this. Obviously, all our videos going forward will be shot with this. So look forward to that. This was another short unboxing. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. Affiliate link will be down below as well. Please sure if you want us to support the channel, that's where you can do so. Besides that, peace and love. See you guys.